Good morning. My thesis title is Advanced Control Strategies for Torque Ripple Minimization in Switch Reluctance Motor. Automation in industries plays a major role for power electronics and variable speed drives. Switch reluctance motor are very popular among variable speed drives due to its simple construction and without permanent magnet. The potentials of SRM motors makes them more attractive for electric vehicle and hybrid electric vehicle applications. These motors possess very good features such as robust structure, low manufacturing cost, good speed torque characteristics, and broad constant power zone. The speed torque characteristics almost match the vehicle load characteristics with very high speed operation capability. In addition, SRMs have high starting torque and high torque to inertia ratio. Because of its double salient pole structure, the magnetic saturation characteristics creates torque ripple, resulting in vibration and noise, which affects the overall stability of the system. The torque control can be done in either two ways by proper designing of a machine or by using a proper controller for minimizing the torque ripple of switch reluctance motor. By proper choice of stator and rotor poles, inductance of the phase winding can be changed so that the torque ripples can be minimized. Another method is by shaping the current waveform based on the required torque. The current applied to the phase winding can be controlled by a suitable current controller so that the torque profile can be improved. So my objective of my thesis is to develop a optimized power converters tailored for switch reluctance motor, focusing on current control for torque ripple minimization. Also, in converter side, I have designed a multi-level inverter system suitable for switch reluctance motor application and to investigate various multi-level topologies like 3-level multi-level inverter, 5-level, 7-level, 9-level, 31-level multi-level inverter, considering the factors such as voltage level, switching frequency, and modulation techniques. Also, to enhance the inverter performance in terms of output quality as well as efficiency. The third objective is to develop advanced control strategies and bio-inspired algorithms to mitigate the torque ripple. So benefits of torque ripple minimization is the enhanced motor longevity, reduced vibration and noise, improved performance and efficiency. For electric vehicles, reducing torque ripple in SRM is a crucial thing to enhancing the vehicle's overall efficiency, user comfort and longevity. Advanced control strategies such as current profiling, multi-level inverter system, and bio-inspired algorithm are essential to mitigate these effects, making SRMs more suitable for electric vehicle applications. Minimizing the torque ripple is essential for the efficient operation of SRM.